Why did I? Oh, I did do that. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, it's this. Am I live? I am live. Hello, guys. It is Ethan and Butler, and I am on the Space Gamers channel. I'm just, messing around right now, but I'm just gonna play Subway Surfers. I'm just testing this out because I think this is like really cool. So let me move this to a better spot where okay, let's see. Okay, so I am live, and I'm gonna play Subway Surfers, guys. All right, let's get started with the game. Never mind, I'm just gonna move it up. Okay. Sorry. All right, let's go. Play. Just go under. Just follow the coins. I think that's just how I play it. I don't usually play this game, but I don't play video games. I'm a movie maker. And I lost. That's how it works, guys. Okay, connect. No, I don't want to connect this thingy. Just exit. Okay. Alright. Hey! What are these sounds? Sometimes this doesn't make sense if the train's going the same direction, that there's a frozen one right there, right in front of it. But whatever. I'm not gonna save myself because it's not smart. Dang, I'm really bad at this game. Don't judge me, please. I have a YouTube channel. It's called Ethan Butler. I know, right? It's so creative. It's my exact name. But why did I go over here? But I'm at the Space Gamer's house right now. So I just decided, hey, let's just do this thing. So I was like, I'm just gonna play a game, and you guys can watch me. And why did I do that? I am ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, that's my channel. That's what my channel is all about. And I didn't say what my channel is about. I do vlogs and skits and short films and other stuff like that. I am currently working on stuff for Chandler, the Space Gamer. Why did I? Oh, I did do that. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, this room's so dark. I remember the Arabian one. I think that's where I started this game. Before it kept updating. I love these shoes. These shoes are everything. I just jumped over the whole train. This is so unrealistic. That's the point of this game. When should I end this video? Splat. I'm just gonna stand. So how's your day going, guys? I love the screen recorder. It's so nice. DU screen recorder, I think that's what it is. I've watched his videos enough that I know. So, this game is just a guy on the run. Is that all it is? Why did I do that? I thought I had the special shoes. So stupid. Alright, maybe I should end soon. Why did I do that? I have horrible decisions on this game. Hello guys, my name is Butler. So yeah, definitely check my channel out. Hopefully Chandler will leave a link in the description below of my channel. What is this thing? I've never used this before. Oh dang! Alright, bye guys. Sorry, I have to end now, but check out my channel. Hopefully Chandler will leave a link in the description below of my channel. So please be sure you look at that. Man, this is bad at capturing stuff. So please be sure you subscribe to the Space Gamer and subscribe to me. Again, in the description. Like the video and like a bunch of other videos that I made and the Space Gamer made. Because this is a collab and we're about to start filming a Nerf video. I mean, continue filming a Nerf video. This is just my break. Anyway, yes, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my video on my channel, and the Space Gamer will make more videos. I don't know how to say this, but bye! See you, please be sure you subscribe. Bye. Guys, how do you end this thing? Oh, there you go.